Today's webinar on child victims and first responders, an overview on victim assistance and mental health issues, is being organized by the International Cell in collaboration with the Center of Criminology and Criminal Justice. Now I request our Honorable Director, Professor Sarfaraz Ahmed Khan, to give the welcome address. Professor Sarfaraz Ahmed Khan is having almost 2 decades of experience as a law teacher and as a researcher. Formerly, he was teaching at the West Bengal National University of the Judicial Services Sciences, where he has also served as the registrar for nearly 2 years. Subsequent thereto, he joined Maharashtra National Law University, Mumbai as an associate professor. He has been awarded several scholarships, including the British Chevening Scholarship to pursue his second LLM at the University of Essex during 2004 to 2005. Hong Kong UGC Scholarship to pursue his PhD at the City University of Hong Kong and Michigan, Rogers Research Fellowship to pursue research at Michigan Law School during March to May 2013. He has also been awarded International Visitors Leadership Program Fellowship by the Department of State, USA, on anti-human trafficking and has visited several parts of USA in the year 2007. His areas of interest include criminal justice administration, human rights, and issues relating to human trafficking. He has authored several books, the latest being the Transitional Sex Trafficking and Integrated Reparation Model. He has also contributed one chapter in the book Restorative Justice in India, edited by Hildegard and Louis, published by Stringer. He has published several research articles in journals of national and international repute and presented papers in several national and international conferences. He has also developed numerous training manuals and study materials and has imparted training to several functionaries of the criminal justice administration in India, including the police, prosecutors, and judges. I would request Sir to give the address.
Very important topic, relevant topic, and at the time of pandemic, this one of the groups which least talk about and most vulnerable, which requires supports and assistance of everyone, including policymakers, government, are the children. So a very relevant topic on which 2 centers of Symbiosis Law School Hyderabad came together and organized this webinar. So I congratulate both the centers for coming together and organizing this program. I welcome Mr. Surinder Kumar Sir, a very senior and decorated IPS officer. He is serving in the rank of Inspector General of Police, CID Assam. I'm happy that you were kind enough to spare some time from your hectic schedule for our students to address them on such significant issues. Your words will definitely going to inspire our students and give the insight how the things work practically. I'm very happy to welcome Dr. George E. Richard, whom we always consider as a part of the Symbiosis family. The Edinburgh University of Pennsylvania. Professor George is now part of Symbiosis Law School Hyderabad family, has visited our campus on earlier occasions to address our students. This pandemic, while created lots of challenges, many difficulties for all of us, it also shows the ways in which throughout the world how we can be connected. So now things becomes easier to connect. Any persons from the in globalized world can address the other students. So in this new normals, we are great that we can get advantage of it, and frequently we can get our well-wishers, our friend. So welcome Dr. George Richard for agreeing for this program today. Finally, I welcome Ms. Harleen Walia, the Deputy Director of Child and India Foundations, who is an accomplished researcher and activist. She is working on the child rights issue from last 2-3 decades. I know her from last 15-16 years, where we all from the NGOs we work for sometimes together, and I know her work. She so closely work on the child rights issue. So she's the person who knows how the things work at the national level, what are the policy makers are doing, what the child rights issues are there. And the Child and India Foundation is organizations which not only the government's quasi-governmental body now it's become. But the Child and Juvenile Justice Act has explicitly recognized it. That's the first organizations throughout the country who contact when a child in need of support or care. They always remember the child line. So, ma'am, your presence and your interactions will definitely going to give insight to the students and all future lawyers, judges, future attorney general, all these brilliant students from Symbiosis Law School Hyderabad. In future, they will be the activists and they will work for the rights of the children. So, I welcome you again for agreeing for these programs, and it's an honor to see you here on this program today. With these few words, I welcome all the other panelists, my students from the Symbiosis, faculty members who joined here with us. Let these discussions today will give us some new ideas and open up the ways in which the students from the Symbiosis Law School Hyderabad can work effectively. Not only they look like students who are there with the law books, but they are the students who wanted to contribute in the society. They wanted to experience it. They wanted to make the changes. And all the resource persons presentations will definitely help. Just for informations of all the resource persons who are there. Recently, this Legal Aid Center of Symbiosis, jointly with Telangana Police, we conducted 1 month long awareness programs in respect of cyber safety for women and children. Either as a law school, we are always open to the ideas where we wanted to work with the organizations, be it any police department, be it Childline or other organizations, where we think that our youth, 1,200 students, mini India which live in our campus, they are ready to serve in any manner we can contribute. So from my side, I'm giving this offer to whether it's Harleen Walia ma'am and others, that our students are always there to work for any issues where we think that Symbiosis Law School Hyderabad can collaborate and can partner with. So with these few words, I welcome all of you and hope this deliberation will not be one day affair, but it will open up an ideas where our students can constructively contribute for protection of the children and making the life of the children better in future. With this word, I welcome all of you. Thank you again.